Reconnected with D, discovered PEMF, my life transformed, better mobility, less pain.
10 years, reached out to me on Messenger, and she showed me a picture of the P90, and she asked me if I knew what that was. And I said, no, have no idea what that was. So then she just kind of led me down the path. It was beginning to be where I felt very stiff and robotic in my movements. I felt like the Tin Man. I'd be on the tennis court and I'd feel like the Tin Man, like I couldn't get to stuff. I just felt very stiff. And at the same time, my knees were starting to kill me all the time, to the point that when I would, at night, in the middle of the night, my knees would wake me up. I'm feeling very stiff. I go to stand up in a restaurant, and you have to stand there for a minute, let the juices start flowing. So I felt like 100 years old. So Dee's telling me about this device, shows me the blood video. So I got the device, began to use it after on the first day. When I got off of it, I just felt better. I felt different. And then after a week of being very faithful and doing the device, I was flying around that tennis court. I felt so loose and fluid. And my knees, I would use the massager on my knees when I would sit on the device. My knees did not hurt at all. And so now I'm sleeping through the night because my knees are not waking me up. And energy through the roof. You were asking about PEMF. Before I could say anything, he said, I absolutely 100% love PEMF for the body. Everybody should be doing it every single day. And I'm like jumping up and down. I have dropped 10 pounds and I have done nothing else different except I'm moving a little better and I'm using my devices. Yes, things work and everybody needs to know about them and everybody needs to be doing them.